to AVAMIGRATRON. In this video, let's get to know the process of creating teams and channels with AVAMIGRATRON. Efficiently create Microsoft Teams and channels, ensuring a streamlined setup process that supports scalable team management and enhances collaborative workflows. Start by navigating to the Migration tab on the AVAMIGRATRON menu bar and select Channel Migration to proceed. Within the Channel Migration page, you'll find two options: Service Account Migration and Actual User Migration. Let's opt for Service Account Migration now. Click on the Create Teams and Channels button and download the provided template for team creation. Fill in the necessary details, such as team name and visibility. Once completed, import the table data to view the details of the created teams. Then, click on the Create Team button to finalize the process. Next, click on the same button to create channels for each team by specifying the team's name and ID in the provided template. You can also create channels for existing teams in OOTB by inputting the team's name and ID. Once done, import the template, click Create Channel. A confirmation message will display once the channel has been successfully created. Then, under the Manage Teams tab in the Teams Admin Center, you can view the list of channels created. The similar streamlined process applies for actual user migration as well. But due to API limitations of Microsoft 365, only a new team and public channels can be created in actual user migration. Check out the link in the description to know more about actual user migration versus service account migration. And there you go. With AVAMIGRATRON, creating new teams and channels is simpler than ever. Ready to make the switch? Reach out to us at sales@avamigratron.com for questions or demos. We would love to connect with you for a smooth migration journey.